Now let's turn to a project in Senegal, which also aims to help local people maintain sustainable use of natural resources. The project supports and disseminates the local people's management of natural resources and improvement of livelihood. Senegal is situated in West Africa. In the Sahel region, which includes the Nioro district, the expansion of the Sahara Desert is creating concern. The project provides training in afforestation, agriculture, and food processing. The aim is to improve the livelihood of local people by utilizing the natural resources while conserving the environment. The training uses local resources and local staff. This means lower costs, which helps the Senegal Forest Service to conduct the training continuously, even though their budget is limited. The project's results can be seen in local villages. During the training, the villagers were instructed to build this wall of stones in order to prevent the soil erosion. Another training, making syrup using nuts, was also conducted.
ndax moom biñ ma waxee ne kaay dem formation bi xaw ma woon dara te léegi jëlee naa fa xam-xam léegi ñoom ñi samay gaay yi kenn ku si nekk mën na koy profité ba mu pare mu dem.
Other training sessions on growing seedlings. In the case of this household, the trained people grow seedlings of mangoes. Selling nut syrup and fruit shows the value of afforestation and improves residents' livelihoods. As more and more soil becomes dried out in this village, salt pollution is becoming a major problem. The project held a training session on the planting of eucalyptus trees, which are salt resistant. The residents bought the seedlings themselves and began planting on their own. Eucalyptus grows fast, providing timber and logs as well as charcoal. This has resulted in cash income for the village. By using what they learn in the training, people carry out the activities which they can. This leads to better lifestyles, better planting, and better forest management.